How to block someone from seeing your Facebook post. So, all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application. And then what you're going to do is, let's say you want to block a specific friend from seeing your Facebook post, but you don't want him or her to know that you have really blocked him without blocking them totally. You're just trying to block them through from seeing your Facebook post. But whenever they will search you, they can still see you as friends. So what you can do is you can go here to your homepage. Now, on the bottom part, you'll see six different options. Go to menu. Now, here on menu, what you're going to do next is to click on settings and privacy and click on settings. Now, under here, you'll see the first selection here. You'll see tools and resources. Click on default audience settings, and here you will see custom here, and then tap on next. So the next thing that you're going to do here is, as you can see, who can see your future posts. So if you want to block someone, a specific person, then what you can do, or a specific friend, then what you can do is to click on these blue here beside that question, and make sure to go here to friends accept. Then here, don't show some of your posts to a specific friend. Then you'll be given your friends list. Then all you have to do is to look for that person or to that friend that you want to block from seeing your Facebook post, and tap on done. And basically tap on done on the upper right. And that is it. And that is how you block someone from seeing your Facebook post. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.